Bonham Bears, welcome to handwriting today. So Miss Cochran is here with you and we're going to learn all about the letter A. A is the first letter in the alphabet. This is the letter we say first when we sing our ABCs. What do you notice about this letter? Do you see any lines? Are they big? Are they little? I do. I see two big long lines. We call those two diagonal lines because they go down. Two long diagonal lines. What else do you see? Good, right in the middle. Did you notice this? This is a little line, right? We call that a little horizontal line because it moves across. Wow, so today we're going to only work on diagonal. So we're going to start at the top and we're going to work on how we are writing those diagonal lines, all right? We're going to form the letter A. And then next week, we're going to write some more A's. Are you guys ready? All right, so I'm going to pick my favorite crayons. You can pick your favorite crayons. I'm going to start at the top. Up here, if you can see, is an alligator. Do you see that alligator? Alligator. A is for alligator. It makes that sound, So as he is chomping his way to the bottom, I'm going to go, because that's what alligators love to say. So I'm going to start at the top, start out my alligator, long diagonal line, slide down and stop, slide down and stop. This time I'm going to slide down and stop, but I'm going to use that alligator's voice. Ooh, God. I'm going to pick my next crayon. Start at the top. Slide down and stop. Good job. Help me out. Ooh, he's very, very hungry for all those long diagonal lines. Ooh, I'm on this side. All right, slide down and stop. Slide down and stop. Slide down and stop. Wow, look at all of those diagonal lines for the letter A. All right, do you guys think you can do it? All right, send me a picture. I cannot wait to see it. I'll also upload a video of the letter A so you can see all those different A's and some sounds that begin with the letter A. A makes that sound, and A makes the A sound. All right, bye guys, see you tomorrow.